Are you feeling stuck? Like there's an invisible wall between you and the life you've always dreamed of? We see you. We see the late nights, the early mornings, the constant striving. You're not alone in this. Every single one of us is on a journey, facing our own unique mountains, searching for that breakthrough moment. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your true potential is you ain't about avoiding the falls, but about what you do after you stumble? This is where your new chapter begins. Welcome to Victory with Ash. This isn't just another program. It's a philosophy, a community, and a roadmap to your personal victory. Our core belief is built on 3 powerful pillars: rise, reset, and refocus. First, we rise. Think of it like climbing a mountain. It's tough, it's challenging, but with every step, you get stronger. Your perspective widens, and the summit gets closer. We help you find the strength to rise from any setback, turning challenges into the very fuel that propels you upward. We believe that your past doesn't define your future, but the ashes of your struggles can become the foundation for your greatest triumphs. Next, we reset. In our hyper-connected, fast-paced world, it's so easy to get overwhelmed, to lose sight of what truly matters. We guide you to find your calm center. Imagine the stillness of a deep, meditative state, where the noise of the world fades away, and all that's left is clarity and focus. This is the reset. It's about clearing your mind, decluttering your thoughts, and reconnecting with your core purpose. This essential pause isn't a sign of weakness. It is a strategic move that allows you to gather your energy and prepare for your next big leap forward with renewed intention and power. And finally, we refocus. With a clear mind and a renewed spirit, it's time to channel that energy into a concrete plan. Picture yourself at your desk, not with a sense of dread, but with excitement. You're mapping out your goals, breaking them down into actionable steps, and designing the future you want, piece by piece. Refocus is all about strategic planning and execution. We help you sharpen your vision, prioritize your tasks, and align your daily actions with your long-term ambitions. It's about moving from dreaming to doing, with a clear, strategic, and unstoppable plan. So, how do we make this happen? We provide you with the practical tools and strategies to transform your life. We'll start by building unshakable confidence. Through proven techniques and supportive coaching, you'll learn to silence that inner critic and step into your power. You will learn to articulate your ideas with conviction and carry yourself with an aura of self-assurance that opens doors. We also focus on developing your leadership skills. Whether you're leading a team, a company, or just your own life, we'll teach you how to inspire action, motivate others, and command respect with integrity and vision. But we don't stop there. In today's world, you need modern strategies to succeed. We dive deep into cutting-edge business concepts and show you how to leverage powerful AI tools to work smarter, not harder. You'll learn to automate tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions that give you a competitive edge in any field. Imagine having the skills to navigate the future of business with confidence. Furthermore, you'll become part of a vibrant, collaborative community. This journey isn't meant to be taken alone. You'll network with ambitious, like-minded individuals, share ideas, and build relationships that will support you long after you've achieved your initial goals. Imagine this: you, standing on a stage, speaking with a confidence you never thought possible. Your words captivating the entire room. See yourself launching that business you've been dreaming of, watching it grow and flourish. Picture the moment you celebrate that huge success, surrounded by the people who believed in you, feeling an incredible sense of pride and accomplishment. This isn't just a fantasy. This is the reality for so many who have embraced the Victory with Ash journey. They are achieving their goals, transforming their lives, and creating their own definitions of success. Your victory is waiting. The path is laid out, the tools are ready, and the community is waiting to welcome you with open arms. It's time to stop waiting for permission and start building the life you deserve. Are you ready to rise from the ashes, reset your mind, and refocus on what truly matters? Join us. Take the first step on your journey to victory. Click the link in the description to learn more and become a part of our community today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you win.